following the recent production of large amounts of cars locally in Ghana. As reported in my previous video, the government of Ghana envisioned a Ghana automotive industry and invested $8 million into the completion of its center in Accra. Among other things included in the center, it has a showroom for the exhibition of the locally assembled vehicles. Prior to its completion, the government started the implementation of the Ghana Automotive Development Policy, which purposely is to make Ghana a fully integrated and competitive industrial hub for the automotive industry in the West African sub-region. The initial aim of the policy was to provide the necessary support to establish an assembly and manufacturing facility in Ghana. So, stick to this video to the end as we look at the completion of the Automotive Development Center in Ghana, the funding, and all the information surrounding its announcement. Before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Let's get right into it. The government of Ghana has finally inaugurated the Ghana Automotive Industry Development Center, a one-stop shop for the coordination and delivery of automotive services in the country. The initial coverage of the vehicles to be assembled under the policy that led to its construction included new passenger cars, SUVs, and light commercial vehicles, which would include pickups, minibuses, and cargo vans. The $8 million office complex has been established to provide office space for the policy support, vehicle financing, investment and customs facilities, training and skill development, vehicle testing and certification. It has a showroom, as stated earlier, for exhibiting locally assembled vehicles. The outgoing Minister for Trade and Industry, Honorable Alan Tremantin, who inaugurated the center on January 12, 2023, said it had been set up as part of measures to operationalize the Ghana Automotive Industry Development Council, targeted at making Ghana the automobile manufacturing hub in West Africa. Mr. Tremantin said the automotive assembly and components manufacturing industry was universally recognized as a key strategic sector for booming economic growth and transformation, aside being a powerful driver of employment, foreign investment, innovation, and technology transfer. Ghana is on the path of becoming the vehicle manufacturing hub within the sub-region through the implementation of the Ghana Automotive Development Policy, which had led to the attraction of 6 of the top 10 leading original equipment manufacturers of the world to invest in Ghana. The outgoing minister said the government was currently working on a comprehensive auto financing scheme that would ensure that the ordinary Ghanaian was able to afford a vehicle. I believe that with the ingenious expertise operating from Swami Magazine in Kumasi, Kokompe in Ghana, and other artisanal hubs in Tamale, Takrady, Koforidua, and other parts of the country, Ghanaians will enjoy the significant benefits an integrated auto industry offers, he said. Speaking in the same vein, the president of the Automotive Assemblers Association of Ghana, Jeffrey Opompepra, said about 4,700 vehicles have been assembled so far in Ghana. The vehicles, he said, are of high quality and buyers would have value for their monies after purchasing the locally assembled vehicles in the country. He added that the newly outdoored Ghana Automotive Development Center will serve as a secretariat for the automobile industry. Hopefully, this much anticipated Ghana Automotive Development Center would be up and running to aid in the transport and economic development of the country. And with the booming automotive industry in Ghana, which is currently the most utilized industry for employment, might help out with the hardships the citizens are facing now. Any further updates and positives on this endeavor will be given out on this channel as usual. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Also, check out this video next on the locally assembled vehicles in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.